Hello everybody, a very good evening to all my lovely students out here. So nice to be back. And guys, if you can hear me, if you can see me very well, then do let me know in the chat with a thumbs up, with a yo, quickly. If everybody who's out here can hear me, can see me very well, then give me a thumbs up, give me a yo in the chat. Hello Cyrus, so nice to see you, man, always. Very nice to see you here. Wonderful. I hope you're doing good. Hello Aishwarya. Welcome Aishwarya. Wonderful to see you here. Yes, lot of people from Tamil Nadu. That is amazing. Thank you for coming here, guys. Eat healthy, live better. Hello. How are you? Asta. Welcome Asta. Fantastic Cyrus. So today we'll have fun. Gopal, music stories. Aditi. Nikita is also here. Wonderful Nikita. Rajkumar, Ankit Kumar Singh, Bharani is also here. Bharani, welcome man. Long time no see. Yes, Ankit, I'm going to take a session tonight on that. So please do come and attend the 9 o'clock session today without fail, Ankit. Okay. Priyanshu, welcome Priyanshu. Badri, Harish Govindan. Yes, Gopal, I'll talk about it today. Badri, Aravind Iyer, Samala Sai Vivek, Vainavi, Anya, Shweta, Jyoti. Yes, Shweta, of course I remember you. How can I forget you guys? You're all regular to my sessions. So we love you and we really want to give you the best possible content in YouTube. Okay. So guys, without any further delay, let's resume our Zero to Hero series. How many of you are excited looking at it? Because I have been doing a lot of 11th standard sessions. I've been doing a lot of 12th standard sessions. But now I have come to you guys who are writing JEE Mains this year. Hello Manjeet. Manjeet, very nice to see you here, man. Thank you for coming here. And Fanatic Fellow, welcome Fanatic Fellow. Great to see you here. Yes, Asta, of course I remember you guys. Great. So we are back with Zero to Hero series and I'm going to choose the topic permutation and combination today. So I'm going to revise P and C. So this is a very important topic, especially for learning probability and getting better at it. So that is why P and C is very important and many people feel it is difficult. But today's class will make it easy for you. After today, you guys will tell me, sir, it is such a laddu topic. I am very happy I came and attended your session. So that is the whole point of today's class. Hello Kunal. Hello Anish. Rishita. Welcome. So many lovely ninjas out here. So without any further delay, let me get started. So many of you are new to this channel. You're all saying, sir, I'm new. I'm coming here for the very first time. People, first of all, I love you all. Thank you for making the choice of coming here. And I'm sure from now on, it's going to be a fantastic ride for you. Okay. Now, let me tell you who I am and what I did to become a teacher here at Vedantu. So guys, my name is Shimon Joseph and I did my BTech from IIT Madras. So I studied in an IIT and I'm basically from Chennai. Got it? I'm basically from Chennai. I prepared for IIT like you guys when I was a small boy. I also wrote many exams. I wrote KVPY and I cleared it. I wrote JEE Mains and I was one of the state toppers in Tamil Nadu. In fact, I got state rank 5. Okay, so that is my background. After that, I did my BTech from IIT. I studied well there also. But my inner calling, my passion was teaching. I always loved teaching. I love interacting with students and I love talking and sharing my thought process, my advices to all my juniors. So that is why I have come here to help you with your preparation at Vedantu. So now, in case you want to be personal, sir, I want to ask you some questions. I want to take some suggestion with you. Then you guys can reach out to me on Instagram. You can message me on Instagram and I do respond to everybody within a day or two. Whatever doubts you have, whatever suggestions you want, you can always talk to me. I'm always there for you. I want you to believe in that. If not me, Vedantu is always there for you. Because Vedantu, like I said, is one big family where we care about each other. Got it? We are going to help each other out and we are all going to uplift the education of the entire nation. Got it? So that is the whole idea. Yes, Kunal, you can try to follow, but it might be a bit difficult because I will assume that you know certain things because it is for mainly those who are writing JEE Mains this year. VIT Vellore is a very good institute, Sanket. You can try for that. Absolutely. 6 days to go. Yes, Kunal. Hello, Anushka. Very good evening. Welcome, my dear. And then Danush is also here. Danush. Yes, Danush. Tell me, what's your doubt? Shimon Sir, where are you? Bharani, yes, man. I'm finally here. Shweta, yes, Shweta. You might be able to follow because you've already done 11th standard. Okay. So shall we get started, people? Sugedan, of course I do remember you, man. Of course I do remember you. So let's move into our class. But before we get started, the most important slide is this particular one, which is the Enthuse channel slide. Okay, guys, this is our channel, which is a very small channel, but it is a very power-packed channel. So do subscribe to it, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy. Got it? Because we have 3 teachers, myself, Shreyas Sir and Wasim Sir. All 3 of us come up with very good content. We work very hard for you guys, and I'm sure many of you are enjoying it. So do enjoy, do subscribe, do share the love. Because like I said, our whole plan is to help all the students out and increase the level of education at every corner of this country. Got it? Yes, my dear children, JEE Mains has been postponed. I have a session for it at 9 o'clock today. Tonight at 9 o'clock, I have a session for it. So please do attend my session. I will talk exactly what happened, why it is shifted, when will the exam be. Everything I'm going to tell you in detail. So it's going to be an epic session. Don't miss it out. Okay? Everybody clear with it? Fantastic. And for what 6 days to go? Anushka, 6 days to go for my batch in Pro subscription. So I teach in Pro subscription. In case you want to join my batches, then it is starting on May 10th. So that is what 6 days to go they are telling the students, right, who join my batch. So now let's get started. Yes, Sugedan, of course you can trust in this channel. But before we get started, every day I start off with a very good information. What is the very good information I share every day? I share entrance exams for various colleges. Sometimes I talk about people. Sometimes I talk about social responsibility. So yesterday I spoke about washing your hands, being safe from coronavirus. I hope you're all doing that because whatever you learn from me, I want you to utilize it. You should not just hear and go away. Got it? So please utilize what I teach. Now, today I'm going to talk about CMI. CMI is a very good institute. It is a very good institute. What institute it is? It is Chennai Mathematical Institute. You have various departments. You have computer science, you have information technology, you have applied mathematics. So like that, you have very good departments. In case you want to be a student here, then you can try to write the entrance exam. Guys, it is a very good college. Don't take it lightly, okay? It is not that easy to get inside because the entrance exam is pretty difficult to crack, okay? Perfect. So now, what do we have here? We have the admission update. So the admission process has been started. I will tell you the dates which are important. So from May 1st, the online application has started and the online application will end by the end of this month. So you have time. In case you want, please go and register. Apply for this exam. It is a good exam. Got it? And admit card will be available by June 15 and the admission test is on June 27. This is tentative. In case you are all interested, go and check it out. Okay. Hello, Selvam, Selomani, welcome. Chaitanya, no man, my regular batches will start in Vedantu's Pro subscription, not in YouTube. And Sugedan, you can talk to your SAM. If you're a student of Vedantu, you can talk to your SAM, student account manager, and they will help you come to my batch. Sindhu Arepalli, if you want to know about crash course, message me here. This is my Instagram ID. I will talk to you about it, Sindhu, at the end of today's class. So please wait for it. In the description of today's class video, you will find the link, Sindhu. So click on that link. You will automatically buy the crash course. It is 6,000 rupees. If you want to know more, then message me here, Sindhu. I will help you out. Okay, that's about it. So shall we get started, people? I hope everybody has made a note of it. Now, in case you want to prepare for exams like CMI, Chennai Mathematical Institute, then you can take the help of Vedantu, because Vedantu has helped people crack JEE Mains with flying colors. People got 300 plus students got 99 percentile. 97 percentile, we have 600 students. 90 percentile, 700 students. So many people have got crazy good results by studying online at Vedantu. In case you also want to be there, then do check it out. I will talk about the crash course at the end of today's lecture. Now, are you all ready to revise? People, yes, my dear session. Yes, my dear people, the May attempt is postponed. So don't worry about it. I will talk about it tonight. Tonight at 9 o'clock, I have a session on that. Why the May attempt is postponed, when it is postponed, how should you prepare, how should you change your strategy. I'm going to talk about it at 9 p.m. tonight. But till then, you wait, listen to this lecture. Okay, because this lecture is important right now. Why? Because I'm going to teach you permutation and combination. Very important topic. So are you all ready to revise? All my 12th standard people who are writing JEE Mains this year. Are you all excited like these two ninjas? Everybody? Very good. Koduru Shiva, for crash course the fees is 6,000. For crash course the fees is 6,000. You can check it out in the description of this video. Very good. Money's Kitchen, Sai, Priyanshu, Sudarshan, Abhinav. Fantastic. You are all amazing. Let's go. So the very first thing which I want to teach you is called as the multiplication rule. And that comes under fundamental principle of counting. Got it? So what is fundamental principle of counting? Fundamental principle of counting is basically what you do in this chapter PNC. For example, in how many ways can I paint this room with 3 colors? So it's basically counting. Counting the number of ways in which I can paint this room with 3 colors. Got it? So permutation and combination, this entire chapter deals with counting. Got it? So now, before we get into the actual permutation part, I want you to understand what is the fundamental principle of counting. So there are 2 fundamental principles of counting. The first one is called as the multiplication rule. When do we use multiplication rule? We will use multiplication rule when there are 2 jobs which are done one after the other. We will use multiplication rule when we have 2 jobs one after the other. Got it? For example, let us say you are standing here. Let me take one name from the chat. Let me take, who is there in the chat? Can anybody say hi? So I'll take that guy's name. Okay, so we have a lot of people. We have music stories. What's your name? Okay, Sugedan is here. So Sugedan was the first one. So Sugedan is here and he has 5 doors in front of him. I always give this example in all my classes. So I have 5 doors in front of me. Now I want to count the number of ways in which I can go inside through one door and come outside through another door. Can you tell me what is the answer? Go inside through one door and come outside through another door. Music stories, I don't know your name. I wanted a name, right? So that's why I took Sugedan. I hope you are okay with that. Don't worry, man. We have many more chances. I will ask you again. Got it? So people, what is the answer for this? I want you to tell me how many ways can I go inside through one door and come outside through another door. So let me help you solve this. So this job can be broken down into 2 parts. Going inside and coming out. Did you all understand that? Going inside and then coming out. Very good, Cyrus. Cyrus is the only one who got it correct. Very good, Cyrus. You are amazing. Very good, Priyanshu. You are absolutely right. So I am breaking the job into 2 parts. First part is going in. Second part is coming out. Okay. Now going in, I can go in through any one of the 5 doors. So how many choices I have? I have 5 choices for going in. But when I'm coming out, my dear children, I cannot use the door which I got in with. Okay, so I cannot use the door which I got in. For example, I entered through this door, then while coming out, I cannot use this door. So I'll have only 4 options. Understood? So for coming out, I have only 4 options. So these are the 2 jobs. And how are they related? They are related with an and. How are they related? They are related with and. Why and? Because to complete the entire job, I need to go inside and come out. I need to go inside and come out. Whenever we say and, we will multiply. That is fundamental principle of multiplication. So the answer is 5 into 4, which is 20. Did you all like it? Did you all enjoy it, guys? Everybody cool with it? So this is how you find it out. This is how you find it out. Are you all clear? Yes, Mala, if you take 11th standard, I will be your teacher, Mala, but not 12th standard. Very good, Jayaraman. Very good, Rajkumar. You guys are absolutely fantastic. Very good, Siva Subramanian. Perfect. Abhinav, you are right. Now the next one is addition rule. So addition rule means when you say or, when you have a job, but you relate 2 jobs or more jobs with or in between. For example, let us say I have 2 chocolates and I have 3 juices. Okay, now I am asking you a question. In how many ways can I eat a chocolate or drink a juice? In how many ways can I eat a chocolate or drink a juice? How many ways? 5 ways. Very good, my dear Sherlock. You are absolutely right. Okay. Guys, very good. All of you are brilliant. So the number of ways is 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Why? Because when you have or, you have to add it. Because I can either eat the chocolate or drink the juice. So it's going to be 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. So that is your addition rule. Everybody cool with it, guys? Fantastic. So with that, let us move forward. Let us go forward. Okay, I want everybody to solve this question and then we will move ahead. And guys, please don't spam the chat. Don't tell about the May attempt. I am telling you tonight at 9 o'clock, everybody who are writing JEE Mains this year, 9 p.m. I am taking a session. I am taking a session on expected exam dates. Okay, the session is on expected exam dates. So please attend this session. It is for you guys. It is for those who are writing JEE Mains this year. Got it? So please attend my class. I will tell you exactly what is the day, what time, and when it will get shifted and why they are shifting it. Everything I'll tell you. Very good, people. Now coming back to this question. So you have how many questions? You have 10 questions. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 10. Now every question I have 2 choices. Why? Because I can write true or I can write false. Similarly, this question also I have 2 choices. Like that, every question I have 2 choices. I can write either true or false. Now we want to answer all the 10 questions. We want to answer all the 10 questions. That means what? First question and second question and third question and fourth question and fifth question till the way and 10th question. Okay, so since I'm saying and, I'm going to multiply all of them 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 till 10th question. So it will be 2 to the power 10 and that will be your answer, which is 1024. Are you all cool with it, people? So that is the way you solve it. I hope you guys have understood it. Everybody clear? Fantastic. You guys are amazing. Keep it up, people. This is crazy good. I'm so happy you're all following and you all are solving it together with me. That is amazing. So now let's move forward and have a look at what are the other things you're supposed to know. The other thing you're supposed to know is what is factorial. Okay. The other thing which you're supposed to know is what is a factorial. So what is n factorial? N factorial means it is not n exclamation mark. So whenever you are studying this for the first time, everybody will think, sir, exclamation mark is given, sir. But that is not the way you read it because this is not English. This is mathematics, right? So the way we read it is n factorial is equal to the product of all the natural numbers starting from 1 all the way up to n. That is your n factorial. For example, 4 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, which is equal to 24. So how will you find 5 factorial? 5 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, which will be 120. Got it? So that's how you find the factorials. Now ABCD is asking, sir, why is 0 factorial 1? Because that is how it is defined. We cannot write 0 factorial by this logic, right? So 0 factorial is separately defined. I'm not going to go into the details of it. You can remember it as 0 factorial is 1. It is not 0. Got it? Perfect. So with that, people, let's get going. I want all of you to solve this question. This is a very good question. Let me see how many of you are getting it correct. I want to see whether my ninjas are capable of solving this question. Shall we? Everybody? No, Sudarshan, we have factorial only for natural numbers. For your 11th and 12th, you have to know only factorials of natural number and 0. So together, whole numbers factorials you can study. Nothing apart from that. So don't worry about it. Ankit says B, Bharani says A, Shweta says B. So a lot of different answers. Tamil Nadu says HP. Okay, let me check. Different people are saying different things. Come on guys, who is right, who is wrong? Come on people, who is right and who is wrong? Everybody, I want maximum participation. Please try to do that. Can I get 200 marks in JEE Mains with Vedantu's crash course? Hemnath, if you work hard, it is possible. I will not lie. If you work hard, it is possible. Go for it. You might get it. Okay? That is equivalent to 99 percentile. It's a very good score. Got it? Sai, very good Sai. Bharani, you are right Bharani, of course. Dhanush, very good. Aditi, very good Aditi. You guys are all amazing because it is option A which is the right answer. Kavya is right. Sagar, no Sagar. It is option A which is correct. Okay. Abhinav is right. Sugedan is right. Brilliant. Now I will show you how to solve it. Please listen carefully. Manisha Jakar, that's absolutely right. Vainavi, very good. Manas, very good. Shweta, of course Shweta. I will teach you how to solve it. Listen carefully. So first of all, Shweta, what is given to us in the question? It is given that these three are in GP, right? So if these three are in GP, that means the product of the extreme terms should be equal to the middle term square, right? Correct, Shweta? I hope you understood it. Now, I can write n plus 1 factorial as n factorial into n plus 1. I hope you know that. For example, 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial. So that's what I have written. n plus 1 factorial, I can write it as n factorial into n plus 1. Are you clear? So that will be equal to 9 times of n factorial into n factorial. So n factorial cancels, n factorial cancels. So I will get n plus 1 is equal to 9. So what is n equal to? So n will be equal to 8. That's it. I got my value of n. Did you all like it? Very simple, na? So based on my sequence and series understanding, I was able to understand what is the value of n. All factorials are even numbers. No go in. 1 factorial is 1. 0 factorial is 1, right? So they are not even numbers. Yes, from 2 factorial everything is even. That's correct. Got it? But 0 factorial and 1 factorial is not even. Please don't forget that. Go in. Okay? Very good. So now I got what is n. Next, what will I do? I'll find this. So this is 8 factorial. This is going to be 5 into 8 factorial. And that is going to be 9 factorial. So now let's add these two. So 8 factorial plus 9 factorial. Can I simplify it as 8 factorial into 1 plus 9? So I'll get it to be 10 into 8 factorial. And 10 is nothing but 2 into 5 into 8 factorial. So can I say sum of the extreme terms is twice the middle term? That means it is an AP. Did you all like it? That is the way you solve it. Okay. Are you all clear with it? Did you all enjoy it? Very good, Srinivasa Rao. Alluru Sahitya. Very good, Sahitya. Welcome. Very good, very good. Yes, Govind. You are right, Govind. In advance, they get very good questions. Don't worry, I will slowly take you all there. But now we need to be very good at the basics. ABCD, fantastic. Priyanshu, very good Priyanshu. Now let's move forward, my dear children. Okay, let's go ahead and try to have a look at this particular part. Now guys, this might look very, very scary, but don't worry, I will make it very easy. Okay, I will make it very easy. Don't worry about it. Okay, yes, Anish Palabatla, I will talk about it tonight, Anish. Please wait for it. Very good, Raj Naidu. Ramesh, welcome, Ramesh. So what is this topic? Let me explain it. Okay, for example, what is 5 factorial, my dear children? 5 factorial is nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Got it? So which is nothing but 120. So how can I factorize 120? I can factorize that 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Is that correct? Are you all cool with that? That is the way I can factorize 5 factorial. Thank you, Sugedan. That is very sweet of you. Rajamanikam, I had 8 factorial plus 9 factorial. Now, 9 factorial, I can write it as 9 into 8 factorial. Okay. So now I can take 8 factorial common. I will be left out with 1 plus 9. Na? That's what I wrote, Vijay Kumar. Okay. So I hope you understood it. Now, coming back to this, I hope everybody is clear with this. Everybody cool with this, guys? There's nothing difficult over here. Now, I'll ask you a question. What is the highest exponent of 3 in 5 factorial? What is the highest exponent of 3 in 5 factorial? The highest exponent of 3 in 5 factorial is 1. Very good, very good. Very good. Okay, you guys are all amazing. The highest exponent of 3 in 5 factorial is 1. So now how I wrote this? Guys, I factorized 120. ABCD, 5 factorial is 120. Nah? So if you factorize 120, you will get it like this. Prime factorization. That I think you can do. So try to do prime factorization, you will get this. Now the highest exponent of 3 in 5 factorial is 1. How do I get this? By this formula. So your n is nothing but 5. So exponent of 3 in 5 factorial is equal to GIF of 5 by 3 plus GIF of 5 by 3 square and so on. Now 5 by 3 GIF is 1. 5 by 3 square GIF is 0 and everything after that will also be 0. So that's why you get the answer as 1. And is it the same as what we got? Yes. Is it the same as what we got? Yes, absolutely. Did you all like it? GIF is nothing but greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. Okay. I have taken a separate class in that. How did you factorize it very fast? Because 120 can be written like this now. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So 2 into 4 is 2 cube. 3 power 1, 3 power 1. 5 power 1, 5 power 1. So I already wrote it here, Nasugedan. That's why I factorized it very fast. Yes, Ajo Saran. Govind, there is no need to know the proof right now, man. It is not needed. It is just a result which I want you to note down. Are you all clear with this, people? Did you all like it? Yes, 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 yes. Guys, JEE Mains, I will talk about it. Yes, the session for May attempt is postponed. I will talk about it tonight. Please be there. Tonight at 9 o'clock, I will explain it properly. Please don't spam the chat right now. Right now, focus on this class. Yes, the session PDF will be available to you right after the class. You can go to Telegram, you can download it, you can go through it again. I would suggest you to do that because all my lectures, I give you good quality content and make sure everybody follows. So in case you missed out something, go back and refer to it again. I will show you how to do it, Shweta. Shweta, I made a separate video on greatest integer function for my bridge course students. For 10th moving to 11th students, Shweta, please go and check that video out after today's class. Okay, last step. So this is the formula. GIF of n by p, 5 by 3, n by p square, 5 by 3 square, n by p cube, 5 by 3 cube. Now 5 by 3 is how much? 5 by 3 is 1.66. Then you'll have 5 by 9. What is 5 by 9? 0.55. Then you'll have 5 by 27 and so on. Now, what is GIF of 1.66? It is the integer part of that. Integer part of 1.66 is 1. Integer part of 0.55 is 0. Whatever comes after that will also be 0. So it doesn't matter, don't calculate. So the answer is 1. Did you all like it? That is the way we do it. Hello Samita, welcome Samita. Please do not spam the chat, otherwise you might get blocked. Please don't spam the chat. Okay. Yes, Hemnath Ramachandran, you can get it, but you'll have to get 99 percentile and above. Even 99.5 percentile you might need. So like I said, crash course is your last chance, because you have the test series, you have regular teaching, you will have very good assignments. So in case you are interested, Hemnath, please check out the crash course. It can help you. Why P is 3? Because in this example, we are talking about what is the highest exponent of 3 in 5 factorial. Nasuge then. I am talking about what is the highest exponent of 3 in 5 factorial. So that is why I did that. So in 5 factorial, I want to find exponent of 3. Okay, so that's why I use this formula. And remember guys, this formula will be useful only for prime numbers. Only for prime numbers. Okay, are you all clear? Yes, Adza, you have to just focus on getting the first 0. After the first 0, it is always 0 following that. So don't worry about it. Did you understand it, Adza? Just try to find out the first 0. After the first 0, everything will be 0. So you don't have to go above, beyond that. Hello Guru Raj. Hello Arhit. Welcome. Deeksha. Welcome. Yes, Govind, I have already done it. Please go and check it. So with that, people, let's get going to a question. This is a fantastic question. Can you all solve it? Please do it. Let me see if you're all able to do it. Come on, people. Hello, Faza Al Maktoum. Royal Rajput. Welcome, man. Okay, guys, are you all done? Come on, people. I want everybody to answer. Akanksha, welcome Akanksha. Very nice to see you. Trivedi, I have no idea, man. I'm sorry. I also was very shocked. But don't worry, we are all here at Vedantu for you. Do follow us. Wasim sir is here and he will help you to get into your dream college. Do check out the lectures. You will be absolutely astonished. Okay? Very good, very good. Sunila, yes Sunila, I will try to do that. Great. So guys, what is the answer? Some people are saying 48, some people are saying 49. What is the right answer, man? There can be only one right answer, okay? Very good, very good. Kadambini Trivedi, I am so happy you are enjoying our lectures. Thank you for your support. You guys mean a lot to us. Pradap, exponent means power, Pradap. Okay, the power of 3 which is present in 100 factorial. So let me do it for you, Pratap. So the question is exponent of 3 in 100 factorial. So how do you do it? It is going to be 100 divided by 3 plus 100 divided by 3 square plus 100 divided by 3 power 3 plus 100 divided by 3 power 4 plus 100 divided by 3 power 5. Now after this I won't write because after that it will be anyway 0. So this will be what? This will be 33. This will be 100 by 9, 11. This will be 100 by 27, 3. This will be 100 by 81, 1. This will be 100 by 243, 0. After this it will always be 0. So don't worry. So the answer is 33 plus 11, 44. 44 plus 4, 48. So yes, my dear children, 48 is the right answer. Everybody, you guys are killer. You guys are amazing. Yes, Vibhor, Akanksha, Cyrus, Aditi, Gopal, Anup Singh Chauhan, Akank Srivatsava, Gururaj, you are amazing. That's absolutely correct. Okay, thank you, Gururaj. Abhishek Sharma, Kavya, Raj Naidu, Sudarshan, Rajaram. Fantastic. So with that, let's proceed. Hello, Kirtana. Welcome, Kirtana. Great to see you here. Now we are coming to permutation. What is permutation? Permutation means arrangement of objects. That is the way you understand it. Please don't forget this. Whenever we talk about permutation, it means arrangement. Because guys, many times in YouTube, I observed one thing. People ask me one very bad question, and I feel that students are supposed to know this basic thing. People, even after 12th standard, they come to my class and they will tell, sir, what is difference between permutation and combination, sir? I will be like, what? If you are in 12th, you are supposed to know that. Okay, so after today's class, you should never ask anybody that question. Got it? So firstly, what is permutation? Permutation means arrangement. Whenever you're dealing with arranging something, let's say arranging books in a library, let's say arranging beads in a flower band, let's say arranging boys and girls in a classroom, arranging friends in a circle, arranging people in a meeting hall, everything has got to do with permutation. Are you all clear? So that is what we call as permutation. Permutation means arrangements of objects. Everybody cool with it? Fantastic. Very good, Adza. Brilliant. And what is combination? Combination means selection. I am selecting something. That is what we call as combination. For example, I want to select a class leader. Let's say from these people who are watching it live, I want to choose one boy to monitor the chat. So I am choosing your class leader. So I will choose one boy or one girl to monitor the chat of everybody. Whoever is spamming, block him. So that is a selection, right? So whenever you select, that is called as combination. Whenever you arrange, that's called as permutation. Got it? Everybody? Srinivasa Rao, you will find it in my channel. Just type probability by Shimon Sir. You should get it. Okay. So number of possible arrangement is permutation, Sugedan. Like I said just now, selection means combination. Arrangement means permutation. That's it. As simple as that. Only 2 words. Now, let's go to the next part. What is NPR? NPR means the number of ways of arranging R objects out of N objects. So that is what I call as NPR. For example, let us say there are 10 boys and girls. Okay, let's take very simple examples and let's understand it, because understanding is very important. When it comes to JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, understanding is everything. So I have 10 boys and girls. I want to arrange 4 people in a row. I want to arrange 4 people out of this in a row. How do I do it? It is 10 arrange 4. So from 10 people, I will select 4 and I will arrange them. That is what we call as 10p4. So what is NPR? NPR is n factorial by n minus r factorial. So that's gonna be 10 factorial by 10 minus 4 factorial. Is that clear, people? Everybody? Are you all cool with it? Brilliant, brilliant. Very good. Purnima, yes, JEE Mains is postponed. I will talk about it at 9 o'clock today. What about Eklavya Premier? It will happen, don't worry. Eklavya batch, you can fill the form in the video description below. Very good, guys. You're all amazing. Now, very good, Akanksha, Jayaraman, Sagar, Guru Raj, Aditi, Bikash. Very good. Now, let's solve some questions. These are all wonderful questions, and guys, you will be amazed. You will be amazed. You will love this question. Think about it and answer it. It's a nice question. It is a very nice question. Nithil Surya is asking, which is the best book for reference? Cengage. Cengage is what I recommend all my students for JEE Mains, JEE Advanced. Hello Pooja Gupta. Welcome Pooja. Hi Shushma. Welcome Shushma. So nice to hear that from you. It means a lot. Hemant is asking, sir, what is 99.9 percentile? 99.9 means you need to get 250 plus, 250 plus or 260 plus. Got it? Very good, Sugedan. Debabrat, very good, Debabrat. Danush, fantastic, Danush. You are right. Fantastic. Aditi is right. Sherlock is right. Akanksha Nagpuri is right. Vivek Yadav, welcome Vivek. Very nice to see you. Dumati Manoj. Manoj, you are right, Manoj. Very good. Shweta is right. Kavya is right. Then we have Nancy, Abhinav, Sudarshan, Anushka, Manas. You guys are amazing, man. Very good. Harish Govindan, Bharani, Ishwar. Very good, guys. Fantastic. So let's try to solve this question, okay? So what is the total permutation of this? The total permutation of garden is 6 factorial. Do you all agree? The total permutation is 6 factorial. Do you all agree? The total number of ways this garden can be jumbled. The total number of ways in which garden can be jumbled is 6 factorial. Did everybody get that? Everybody give me a yes, give me a yo in the chat. Very good, Shreyas. Very good, Abhishek Sharma. Everybody has got it. Good. That is amazing. That is amazing because half the question is done. Now, there are only 2 vowels. What are the 2 vowels? You have A, you have E. These are the only 2 vowels. Are you all clear? Now, if they have to come in alphabetical order, your A should always be before E. Is that correct? They should come in alphabetical order. So your A should always be before E whenever I jumble these letters. Now guys, there are only 2 letters, A and E, which are vowels. So don't you agree, half the time A will be in the front, half the time E will be in the front. Because there are only 2 vowels, right? So out of these total combinations, which is 6 factorial, which is 720, out of these 720 jumbled letters of garden, half the time A will be before E and half the time E will be before A. That's it. So we want A to be before E. So I will take 720 by 2, which will be 360. That is going to be option C. Did you all like it? Logic. That is the beauty of mathematics. Isn't that fantastic? Gautam, yes Gautam, for JEE Mains, this channel is totally enough and I'm sure you will crack it. Okay. Thank you Nikhil Makar. That is so sweet of you, man. So guys, with that, shall we move forward? Everybody? All of you clear? Now Surendra asked a very good question. Sir, here only 2 vowels were there. So Laddu method you did. Very nice. I liked it. Only 2 are there. So half the time one will be in the front, one will be in the back. So that's correct, sir. I liked it. But now, sir, what if there are 3 vowels? Then what to do, sir? Then how do I do it? For example, let's say there is a word like this. Gar. Okay. Let's say someone is writing garden as gardenu. Okay. So now how do I find out the number of ways in which I can write these letters? I can jumble these letters in such a way that the vowels are in alphabetical order. Very good, Priyanshu. Priyanshu is right. It is nothing but 7 factorial by 3 factorial. Now, why, sir? Because, my dear children, the vowels are your A, E, U. So you have 3 vowels and they have to come in alphabetical order. So it should be A first, E first and U first. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to treat these 3 things as identical objects. Are you all clear? So if I treat these 3 things as identical objects, then the total number of permutation will be 7 factorial by 3 factorial. Because when you have identical objects, you need to divide by the factorial of identical objects. Got it? Now, how does this give you the answer? This gives you the answer because for A, E, U, I don't care what these 3 are. It should always be A, E, U. So there's only one way of arranging these 3 balls. So it is okay to treat them as identical balls. Got it? It is okay to treat them as identical objects. Because A, E, U, even though there are 3 different letters, I want them to be arranged in only one way. Got it? So that is why I treat them as identical blocks or identical objects. So that is the logic of this. I hope you guys liked it. Very, very good method. It's a very good method. I'm glad somebody asked this. Okay. So if you are all interested, make a note of this and try to think about it later on. Got it? Mathematics. This is an English channel, man, and I am from Chennai, South India, so I don't speak Hindi. Okay. Don't worry. I will try to talk slowly. Okay. Great. So guys, this is a bit advanced. So don't worry if you're not able to completely understand it. Think about it later. Maybe you will get the flow. Think about it later, you will get the flow. But this question is a good question. That is a JEE Main level question. Got it? So with that, people, let's get going to the next question. Fantastic question. Come on, people. Hello, Bibin baby. Welcome. Very nice to see you. IIT Hyderabad, IIT Hyderabad. Ishwar, IIT Hyderabad is a very good college, especially for JEE Mains computer science. Okay, especially for computer science. So if you want to get into IIT Hyderabad, you need to score very well. Okay. Mathematics, don't worry, man. I will try to learn. Okay, I'm trying to learn. By next year, I'll be ready. Got it? JEE Main postponed? Yes, my dear children. JEE Mains is postponed. I will talk about it tonight at 9 o'clock. So tonight at 9 o'clock, I have a class where I will tell you why JEE Mains got postponed and when it will be happening. Okay, very good. So Priyanshu Mishra says B. Okay, let me check it. Are you all sure about it? It's a very nice question, guys. It's a very, very nice question. Okay, guys, are you all ready? All of you. Pranshul, very good. That's a nice try, but let me tell you what is the answer. The answer is option A. The answer is option A. Why is it option A, sir? Because, my dear children, at least one digit repeated means, can I say, I will say all digits repeated. Can I say it is all digit repeated minus no digits repeated? Yeah? Are you all okay with that? So all digits repeated means what? It will be 5 into 5 into 5. Minus no digit repeated means what? It will be 5 into 4 into 3. Because I want to make a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3. So if all digits can be repeated, so I have 5 options for the first one, 5 options for the second one, 5 options for the third one, which is 5 cube. Without any restriction, all digits can be repeated. That is 5 into 5 into 5. Then I am subtracting no digit repeated. That means everything should be unique. So then first place I have 5 options. Second place I have 4 options because I should not use what I used here. Then third place I'll have 3 options because I should not use what I used in the first 2 places. So this is going to be 60, right? And this is going to be 125. So the answer is 125 minus 60, which will be 65. Did you all like it? Very good. Exactly. Fantastic, people. Very good, Ankit. That's amazing. Krishna Dalai, did you understand it? Guru Raj, very good, Guru Raj. Everybody is getting it. You guys are all fabulous. Keep it up, guys. Amazing work. So with that, shall I move forward to the next one? Great. The next question is a wonderful question and it came in JEE Mains. Can you see that? JEE Mains 2021. Okay, it is a very nice question. Please try to solve it. Everybody, all of you try to solve it. Be cool, Pradeep, Pradap. Yes, I will talk in Tamil, but at the end, man, not now. Because this is English, many people are there and people will miss out. But don't worry, guys. This is majorly an English channel, so I will talk in English, not in Hindi, not in Tamil, not in Telugu, not in Malayalam. But at the end, while we are chit-chatting, that time I'll talk in every language, whatever I know. Okay? So don't worry about it. Right now, focus on the class. Got it? Everybody. Great. So, yes, of course, I am from Chennai, so I can talk very good Tamil. I know a little bit of Telugu. I can understand Malayalam I can understand Hindi also, but the only thing is I can't speak Hindi because my grammatical errors are very, very predominant. So in Hindi, there are a lot of grammatical errors, right? So I make that a lot. So it won't be respectful if I talk. That's why. Great. German, French and Latin, maybe in the future. Who knows? If we want to learn, we can learn. It's always good to learn languages, guys, okay? So what is the answer? Everybody, can you please tell me? People are saying B, people are saying A, somebody is saying C. Which is the right one? All three options are covered now. Only one option is left out. Does anybody want to take that also? Come on, guys. Give me one option correctly. Again, you see ABC, ABC, ABC. One of the all options. Great. Shweta is legendary. Bharani has taken D. Great. Fantastic. But I don't think D is correct, Bharani. Okay, so let's try to solve it. So there are 7-digit integers whose sum is 10. So I can have something like this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then we have 2, 3. Is that okay? Got it? Then you can have 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. So these are the two possibilities. You cannot have any possibility. Think about it. These are the only two possibilities. So I have totally 7 integers which are digit integers, 1 digit, single digit integers whose sum should be 10. Whose sum should be 10. So these are the only two possibilities. I hope you guys have all understood it. I hope you guys have all understood it. Everybody cool with it? Yes, people? I hope everybody is cool with it. Fantastic. So this can be what? This is nothing but 7 factorial by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factorial and that's it. So that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 6 into 7, which is 42. And this will be what? This will be 7 factorial because there are totally 7 digits. So 7 factorial. How many identical? 1, 2, 3, 4 identical. So 4 factorial. Again 3 identical. So 3 factorial. So that will be equal to what? 5, 6, 7. So 5 into 6 into 7 by 3 factorial. So 3 factorial 6 will cancel out. It is 35. So the answer is 35 plus 42, which will be 77. Such an easy question which everybody did. It came in JEE Main's February attempt. Can you believe that? Hadi Chayambil, very good. Madineni Sai, thank you so much. That means a lot, man. Very good, very good. Jyoti Kumari, Aditi, Surendra, Abhinav, Pranshul. Very good, Pranshul. And Pradyanesh, that's absolutely right. Bharat, Manas, Abhishek Sharma, fantastic. You guys are awesome. Got it? So this is the way you do it. And don't worry, guys, for all those who missed out, I have given you the complete solution, Pranshul. Pranshul, I have written down the complete solution. In all my class, I do this. So whenever you guys get time, even after the class, go to our Telegram group or download the PDF from the session description. Okay, you can go through the solution. So with that, people, let's get going to the next one. But before I go to the next one, let me explain to you guys about the Wave platform. So many of you are asking, sir, Vedantu's crash course is there, Vedantu's pro subscription is there. What is the difference, sir? You are teaching nice only in YouTube, then why should I join Vedantu? Guys, there are some differences. I will tell you what. The first thing is, Vedantu's classes are not Zoom classes. So many of you are attending school, many of you are attending coaching in Zoom classes, isn't it? Many of you, because I know some of my students are. Some of my students are all attending school classes, coaching classes in Zoom. But Zoom is meant for business, guys. Zoom is meant for meetings and conference. But Vedantu is made for education, made for teaching, made for learning. So you look at this, Pulkit sir, our co-founder, is explaining a mathematics question where you need to find area with a diagram. And you look at this, Abhishek sir is explaining some concept of deforestation with diagrams. You see Vani ma'am, she is explaining some experiment. So that is how we teach in Vedantu. We have visual learning at the same time oral learning. we teach, we speak to you, we show you good animations by which your understanding will improve. Whenever we look at visual representation, our understanding will improve. Got it? So that is what we do at Vedantu. I will talk about the courses in detail at the end of today's class. Okay? I will talk about what is pro subscription, what is crash course. So please wait till the end. Exactly. I have Sharif, you are right. Vidhi Arora, of course, Abhishek sir. A lot of people love Abhishek sir. Amazing. I'm so happy that you guys are all enjoying his classes, and do continue to enjoy these classes at Vedantu, and do come to 11th and 12th as well. We will take care of you. Got it? Very good. Shushma, fantastic. So let's move forward, people. I'll talk about it towards the end. Now, next question. Please do this. This is amazing. This is amazing. Can I get NIT Puducherry for computer science with 180 marks? Yes, yes, Hemnath. I am thinking that you're talking about NIT Karaikal, right? NIT Karaikal, yes, you can get it. But again, do you have Pondicherry quota? If you have Pondicherry quota, you might get it easily. But if you don't have Pondicherry quota, it might be a bit difficult. But still, I think you might make it, because 180 is a good mark. Okay. Oh, great, Vidhi. Vidhi, that's amazing. I'm so happy. I'm going to check you guys out whenever you come. I think Sanvi, you, Vedika, Asmi, all of you have joined my batch. I'm looking forward to it. Kunal also. So I'll meet you guys on May 10th. Okay, people, are you all done? Bharani, he asked for computer science. Is computer science also like that? Fantastic, Vidhi. That's amazing. Great. Eat healthy, live better. Are you sure? That is not correct. Eat healthy, live better. That is not correct. Are you in 12th standard pro subscription? No. I'm taking 11th standard pro subscription. Okay. Yes, Akash. Akash, I will try to do that. Okay. Sugedan, I'm taking 11th standard pro subscription, not 12th. Very good, Shweta. Shweta, the answer is 300. Okay. The answer is 300. Very good, very good. So how do we solve this question? So guys, if 3 is in the first place, then I can have anything here. I can have anything here. So I'll have 300 such numbers. If 3 is in the second place, I can have anything here. I can have anything here. So again, I'll have 100 ways. And if 3 is in the last place, I'll have anything here and anything here. So 100 ways. So 100 plus 100 plus 100 is equal to 300. Now the doubt will come when I say this. Sir, 3 is here, sir. But when you say anything comes here, this includes 3 here. This includes 3 here. Then how are you calculating it again, sir? Won't cases repeat? No. Because we are calculating the number of times digit 3 will come. So even though 3 and 3 is here, here one more 3 is there, na? So that I am counting it here. So I don't care whether 3 comes here or 3 comes here. But if 3 is there in the front, how many times I'm going to have numbers? I'm going to have 100 numbers, right? So that's why 100 times here, 100 times middle, 100 times end. So that's why the answer is 300. Brilliant, right? Brilliant, right? So this is the way you solve it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed it. So one major doubt which students have is they'll ask why it's repeating. So that I have countered. Okay, that I have countered. I hope you guys understood. Very good, Pranshul. Brilliant. So with that, people, let's go to circular permutation. This is very important. Circular permutation is a slightly advanced topic. So I'm going to explain it very quickly. So everybody, please pay attention. Okay. What is circular permutation? Circular permutation means when you are arranging objects in a circle. Let's say I arrange 5 people in a circle. That will be what? That will be 4 factorial. Got it? Renu Saklani, this is for 12th standard students who are writing JEE Mains this year. Okay, this lecture is meant for them. Got it? So Renu, it is for 12th standard students. Got it? Very good, very good, very good. Exactly, Ankit. Ankit, you are right. So people, when you want to arrange 5 people in a circle, the number of ways will be 4 factorial, because whenever you have n objects, the number of ways in which you can arrange in a circle will be n minus 1 factorial. Please remember that directly. That's a formula. Whenever you have n objects, the number of ways you can arrange it in a circle will be n minus 1 factorial. Are you all clear with it, guys? Everybody? Exactly. So if you want to arrange them in a circle like this, let's say how many people are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Is that correct? So 8 people I can arrange in a circle in 7 factorial ways, because the formula is n minus 1. But now, if you have anti-clockwise and clockwise to be identical, if anti-clockwise and clockwise are identical, that is they are not distinct, then it will be half of n minus 1 factorial. So where this will happen? This will happen in the case of beads, necklace, garland and so on. Beads, necklace and garland, so on. So in all these cases, it will be half of n minus 1 factorial, because your clockwise and anti-clockwise arrangement will not be distinct. They will be the same. Everybody clear with it? So shall I move forward? Are you all cool with it, guys? Yes? Very good, Aditi. Very good, Sugedan. Sugedan? Yes, Sugedan, no problem. If you have 5:30 class, you guys can definitely go, because Vedantu sessions are very important. Okay, so let's go and try to solve a question. Okay, everybody try to solve this. It's a very nice question. Okay, it's a very good question. I want everybody to participate. All of you try to do it. It's a fantastic question, guys. Crystal clear. Very good, Madineni Sai. Fantastic. Shushma. Yes, Shushma. We will try to complete it fast. Yes, Sujit. Sujit, it is not a good thing, man. See, the attempts are getting postponed, but students will become less and less serious. That's a big problem. So what I would suggest you, Sujit, maintain the motivation, maintain the seriousness, and if you want to be in a set of people who are preparing very hard, you can check out the crash course. Okay? Because Sujit, when time is plenty, it is very easy to become casual. That you have to take care. Very big problem. Okay? But the major reason is the situation in the country is very bad. Coronavirus is taking the lives of so many people. So many young people, 45, 40 years old, your parents' age, your grandparents' age, people are losing their life. So that is why it is getting postponed. So guys, please realize the importance. Don't become casual. Try to maintain the motivation and do give enough time for your weak areas. Got it? Everybody cool with that? Work very hard. We are with you, and I'm really proud of the way you guys have handled it. You guys are amazing. I don't know whether I would have handled it so well like you guys. Okay, so you guys are all amazing. Very good people, very mentally strong. That is a great thing. But now you need to manage it for some more time. Got it? So do well. Great. So what is the answer? Very good, Bharani. Bharani, you are right, Bharani. So first what I'll do, I'll arrange the boys. So I can arrange 5 boys in a circle in 4 factorial ways. So now I arrange the boys. So I'll have how many boys? Boy 1, boy 2, boy 3, boy 4, boy 5. So now how many gaps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gaps are there. So in these 5 gaps, I will arrange the girls. So 5p5 into 5 minus 1 factorial. So that will be 5 factorial into 4 factorial, which will be 120 into 24, which will be 2880. That's the answer. Everybody cool with it? Very good, Surendra. Very good, Vainavi, Shweta, Akanksha. You guys are awesome. Aditi is also right. Very good. Tech Radion, you're right. Eat healthy, you're right. Abhishek Sharma is right. No problem, Pranchul. All the best, Pranchul. Take care. We will meet again some other time. Okay? Take care. Very good, Manas. That's right. So let's move forward, guys. Let's go ahead to the next one. Combination. Combination means what? I already told you. It is nothing but selection. Okay. Yes, Aman Saxena, I will try to do that. Okay. I will try to do that. So what is combination? Combination means selection. So let us say out of n objects, I want to select r objects. So that's given by n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So that's a formula for combination. I hope everybody is clear with it. I hope everybody is clear with it. So NCR means out of n objects, you are selecting r objects, which will be n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Everybody cool with it? Fantastic. Brilliant. So now we will try to use it in a question. Come on people, everybody. This is a JEE Mains question. Can you see that? JEE Mains February attempt. So we are not discussing Laddu questions. We are all discussing fantastic questions. Okay, please do it. Everybody. Guru Raj, minimum 3 to 4 hours per day. Minimum 3 to 4 hours per day is what you should do. Okay. So people, are you all ready? How do we do this? So we want to have a scientific community of 6 people, right? 6 Indians and 8 foreigners. And we need to have at least 2 Indians. So 2 Indians or 3 Indians or 4 Indians and double the foreigners. So if you have 2 Indians, you should have 4 foreigners. 3 Indians, 6 foreigners. 4 Indians, 8 foreigners. 5 Indians can I have? No, because foreigners maximum itself is 8. So these are the only 3 cases. These are the only 3 cases. So how do I do this? It is 6C2 into 8C4. This is 6C3 into 8C6. This is 6C4 into 8C8. So that's the answer. So you guys can find it out and you have to add all of them. So 6C2 is what? 6C2 is nothing but 15, right? So it's 15 into 8C4. So 15 into 8C4 is how much? 8C4 is 5, 6, 7, 8 by 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 70. So 15 into 70 is 1050. Then this is going to be 15 only. Then this is going to be 20 into 8C6. 8C6 is nothing but how much? 7 into 8 by 2. So that is 28. So 560. So 560 plus 1050 plus 15. 560 plus 1050 plus 15. So what is that value? I think it is 1625, right? That is 1625. It's option A. It's option A. No Wilson, no Akanksha. The answer is option A. You have to add all of them. You have to add all of them. Are you all clear? So being succeeding, first do NCRT. Watch my lectures of Flash series last year. Being succeeding, watch my videos of Flash series last year. Then come to this session. Then solve previous year's questions. That is the way you work. When you do like this, you will become thorough in this chapter. Very good, Vidhi. Fantastic. So with that, people, we are almost done. Let's go to selection of 1 or more objects. So for example, let us say we have 10 different pens. Okay, so I have 10 different pens. Now the number of ways to select at least one. The number of ways of selecting at least 1 or more. The number of ways of selecting 1 or more pen from the list of 10 pen will be 2 to the power 10 minus 1. That's the formula. Okay, that is the formula. So when you have n pen, the number of ways of selecting 1 or more will be 2 to the power n minus 1. Got it? So now let's see how to use this in a question. Got it? Let's see how to use this in a question. In the previous case, I gave you n distinct objects. I told you there are 10 different pen. But now we have n identical items. When you have identical items, the number of ways of selecting r will be 1. For example, let us say we have 3 red balls which are identical. There are 3 red balls which are identical. What is the number of ways of choosing 1? The number of ways of choosing 1 is 1 only. It is not 3. It is 1. because all of them are identical. So whichever I pick, there is only one way of choosing it. Because whatever I pick, it is going to be the same case, right? It is going to be the same case. So that is why whenever you have identical objects, if you are selecting R objects out of this, the number of ways is just 1. Got it? Everybody clear? Now, what is the second point? The number of ways of selecting any number of items from a group of n identical objects. So you have 4 red balls which are identical. What is the number of ways of selecting any number of objects? 0 objects, 1 way. 1 object, 1 way. 2 objects, 1 way. 3 objects, 1 way. 4 objects, 1 way. So the answer is 5. So when you have n identical objects, the number of ways of selecting any number of objects will be equal to n plus 1. It will be equal to n plus 1. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Fantastic. So now, combining these two formulas, I have given you something very, very, very interesting over here. Let's have a look at it. Now what are you having? You are having the number of ways of selecting one or more items from p identical objects and n different objects. So from p identical, any number of objects will be p plus 1. And from n different objects, you will have totally 2 power n ways minus 1, because one way I can choose nothing. In one way I can choose nothing, but they told selecting one or more. So choosing nothing must be removed. Choosing nothing must be removed. So that's why I subtract 1. I hope you are all clear. Very good concept, very good conditions. Okay, so let's try to solve it, guys. This is a fantastic question. Again, JEE Mains. So if you are in 11th standard, from 10th standard, guys, it might be a bit difficult for you. This is done assuming that you already learned permutation and combination. Whatever I'm teaching you now, I'm assuming that you guys learned permutation and combination. So don't worry. Kunal, I'm happy you understood a little bit. That itself is great. Okay, when I teach you in 11th, I will teach you in detail. So don't worry about it. Got it? Fantastic, people. So we will probably stop with this question. This is the last question. I want you guys to do it as a homework. Okay. So everybody done? Fantastic. Yes, Surya, that will happen. That is what I don't want you guys to do. Okay. That is what I don't want you guys to do. VIT or Manipal, depends on branch, Bharani. Depends on branch. VIT Computer Science Vellore is very good. Okay. Perfect. Pradap, please pull the video back, Pradap. You will be able to follow. So guys, this is a integer type question. Jayaraman, please pull the video back and try to watch it. I will try to help you later on because I'll make a complete video. These are all results which are directly formula based. Okay, so if you want me to explain it, then I will have to teach you completely. I will do that for my 11th standard batch. Please do follow it. Yes, this question I will solve it completely. Listen carefully. Now, you want to divide 10 students into 3 groups, A, B, C. And what is the only condition given? There should be at least 1 student in every group. And group C should have at most 3 students. Now let's check group C. Group C can have 1 student, 2 student, 3 student. Is that correct? Group C will have either 1 student, 2 student or 3 student. Is that correct? Everybody is cool with that? Do you guys agree? So if it has 1 student, group C, then I will select that 1 student from 10 students in 10C1 ways. Because I have 10 students, I will select that 1 student in 10C1 ways. 2 student means 10C2 ways. 3 student means 10C3 ways. After this, I need to select groups A and B. So after I select 1 student, 9 students are left out. So from 9 students, how many ways can I choose 1 or more students, but not everybody? So how many ways can I choose 1 or more students? It is 2 power 9 minus 1. But I need to remove the case where I select all of them. Because if I select all of them for A, then B will be 0. That is not allowed. That is not allowed. So I need to remove none of them, all of them. Those two cases I need to remove. So it will be into 2 power 9 minus 2. Here it will be 2 power 8 minus 2. Here it will be 2 power 7 minus 2. Add all of them, that's the answer. Over. Did you guys like it? Yes, Aditi, eat healthy. I think you guys are right. I will calculate it. But I hope the concept is clear. That is very important. Why 2 power 9 minus 1? Because that will give you the total number of ways to select one or more students out of 9 students. And I again remove 1 because I remove the case where all the 9 students are selected. Why I should remove all the 9 students being selected? Because then B will be empty. B will be empty. What I'm trying to do is, Asta, listen carefully. First, C, I'm choosing 1 student. Then out of 10, I will select 1 for C. After I select C, I choose A. Now for A, Asta, I'm going to select 1 or more students for group A. So that will be done in 2 power 9 minus 1 ways. 2 power 9 minus 1 ways. So there are totally 9 students left out. So 2 power 9 is a total possibility. I am removing 1 because I don't want empty group. At the same time, I don't want completely full group. I don't want all the 9 students to be selected. So that's why I subtracted 1. So that's why you get 2 power 9 minus 2. Are you clear with that? And here 2 power 8 minus 2 because remove the case where A will get 0. Remove the case where A will get all the 8 students. So that's why you subtract this. Here you subtract 2 because remove the case where A will get 0. Remove the case where A will get all the 7 students. Understood? So that's why I wrote this. Now A is done. What about B, sir? You didn't do B. You didn't do B at all. Guys, if A and C are selected, automatically the remaining students will go to B, and that is only one way. Automatically whatever is left out after I select C and A will go to B only, right? So that is why into 1. Did you all like it? So that's the way we solve it. And yes, my dear children, the answer is, I think, 31650. Yeah, 31650 is right. Okay, so guys, with that we will stop. I'll give you the other questions as homework. You can try it out. Now, coming to Vedantu subscription, many of you are asking me, sir, should I join the crash course? What will be there in the crash course? Guys, in the crash course, we have live classes. After the live class, you'll have assignment. After the assignment, you'll have test series. After the test series, you'll have doubt solving. And we'll have personal touch also. So all of this is part of the crash course. In case you are interested to learn from teachers in this particular software, in this particular interface with great teachers like Vani ma'am, Abhishek sir, Shreyas sir, Wazim sir, myself, then definitely do check it out, guys. It might be a very helpful thing for you. Because now that the May attempt is postponed, you have a lot of time. You have so much time to prepare. So why lose this opportunity? Vedantu has proved it in online. We have proved it because we got 300 students above 99 percentile. So somebody was asking, sir, will I get computer science in Puducherry? Will I get computer science in NIT Trichy? Yes, my dear, people have done it. What is the timetable for crash course? Sindhu, it is every day one class or 2 class. It will be at evening, 6:30 to 8:30 like that. Every day in the evenings it will be there. So in case you are interested, Sindhu, please check it out because we have a proven track record and we have a great set of teachers who are handling the crash course. Like I said, guys, I will not be teaching completely. I will take 1 or 2 classes for certain topics, but ultimately we have experienced teachers handling the crash course. Okay, in case you want to be there in the crash course, do check it out because it was designed by our co-founders themselves. Pulkit sir, Vamsi sir, Anand sir, they're all very experienced teachers and they have helped create this course. In case you want to be here, then definitely check it out. This is the price. Okay. Yes, Surendra, of course you can. But Surendra, for you, I think crash course, assignments and test series are very important. So you can join it, Surendra. More than the videos, I would say the crash course assignment and the test series, the Tattva material which we provide, right? That will be very useful for you, Surendra. So I think you can check it out, because let me tell you, for 6,000 rupees price, you won't get this quality, man. I am guaranteeing you. For 6,000 rupees price, you won't get this quality anywhere in India. Okay, so do make use of this opportunity. The batch is starting on 10th May. So you still have time. There are 5 more days left out. So you have still 5 more days left out. Make sure you guys are going and joining this today. Okay, the original price was 10,000. Because of my coupon code SJCC, it has come down to 6,000. Sindhu is asking, is it for all subjects? I know, Sindhu, it is shocking, right? Yes, it is for all subjects. Maths, physics, chemistry, along with test series. Not just teaching, along with test series, Sindhu. For all of it, you just have to pay 6,000. Got it? I have given you the link in the chat. I'll also show you how to join. So how do you join? What you guys have to do is, you guys have to close this, go to YouTube, our favorite YouTube, then you come down, click on my video. So this is the video where you guys are. Can you see yourself? Everybody, Pranchul is here, Sindhu is here, and Kirtana is also excited. So guys, don't miss this opportunity. I'm going to show you right now. So come down below. You see here, get the JEE crash course below the YouTube video. So come down and then click on this link. You will be taken here. You see, I have already logged in. So you will be taken to this page. Don't worry about 10,000. You just click buy now. Automatically the price will adjust. Can you see that? Automatically the price is adjusted. Because of my code, you got 4,000 rupees discount. So this will not be existing for a long time. Okay. So use it, buy it today. They might increase the price because JEE Mains is postponed. Guys, the price might increase. So don't wait for a long time. If you keep thinking, 6,000 will become 8,000. So don't wait, go for it and enjoy the classes at Vedantu. That is what we wish for. Okay. All the best, my dear students. I hope you enjoyed the class today. Finally, this is the Telegram group. Do join it in case you want to be updated. Okay. And this, we will announce all the major announcements. Guys, today at 9 o'clock, I have a very nice session. I'm going to talk about the JEE Mains exam postponement. So 9 o'clock, please be there. Very, very important session. 9 o'clock. Don't miss it at any cost. Don't miss it at any cost. I'm going to announce what happened, why it happened. I'm going to talk about it. And yes, Tamil, enna solano? Ella nalla padinga, exam thali perchine, casual irukadinga. Okay, everybody work hard. Don't become casual just because the exam got postponed. Okay, all the very best. Nalla padinga. Take care, guys. Bye-bye. See you in the next one. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share it with your friends. And don't forget to like the video. Got it? Cool. So with that, we will conclude. Bye-bye.